Planning to explore Bristol, but don't want to lug your bags around? Radical Storage provides a fast and reliable way to store your luggage while you take in the city's sights. This guide will walk you through depositing your luggage at a secure storage point in Bristol using Radical Storage, a platform known for partnering with local businesses such as hotels, cafes, and shops. These trusted partners offer insured, safe storage for your luggage while you explore. Instead of searching online and risking phishing sites, use the secure link provided here to access the official Radical Storage website. Once there, simply type Bristol in the search bar, and you'll see a list of available storage points throughout the city. Choose a location that best suits your needs, whether near popular landmarks, transit stations, or the city center. Select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, and complete your payment through the secure platform. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the chosen luggage storage point. When you arrive, show your reference number to the staff, and they will take care of your bags. That's all there is to it. Now, you can explore Bristol knowing your belongings are securely stored with Radical Storage. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.